Dazzle your beloved with deliciously roasted chicken breasts in sweet Asian marinade. Here's what you'll need. Defrost the chicken at least partially in the fridge. Place the chicken on a baking tray and set your oven to the defrost function. Preheat the baking tray along with the oven. This ensures a crunchy outside and a succulent inside. Season the thawed chicken to taste using the following ingredients. Combine all ingredients for the marinade and dip the chicken breasts in the mix so they're covered completely. Put the marinated pieces on the preheated baking tray to get a crispy texture. Unlike grilling on a pan, the Electrolux oven emits less heat. This means less smoke, making it easier to control inner temperature. This results in the healthiest, juiciest chicken. To know the chicken is ready, pinch it with a toothpick. Use oven gloves to protect against high temperatures. Enjoy Electrolux every day for great tasting food.
We hope you enjoyed this video. Please check out the Electrolux website for more inspirational tips on how to make the most delicious meals at home.